Hi everyone, and welcome to the first video of the $1,000 challenge. So the $1,000 challenge, very simple. I've got $1,000 and I'm going to use it to invest in shares in the Australian Stock Exchange. The reason why it has to be Australian dollars, Australian Stock Exchange, is that if I move it over to any other country, then I lose lose the money or on the forex rate. Like if I move it to America, then it's not really $1,000 anymore. It could be just $700 challenge. And then if I want to move back and forth, then it's just too complicated. So it's too troublesome. It's not complicated. They make it very easy to transfer money these days, but anyways, it makes it a little bit more complicated than it needs to be. So it's $1,000 in Australian share market. The purpose of the challenge is to one for myself is to keep a video diary of what I do, and this one here is more of a trading rather than investing. And the second thing is to kind of show you guys raw, unedited, like what can happen on the stock market if you're not careful. So I'm still learning. So my next update could be like I lost all the $1,000, which I doubted, but the point of it is the point of this video series is to kind of show what can happen with $1,000. I could grow it, and hopefully I do. Otherwise I could lose it. And it meant to be either like a great lesson to learn of techniques and ideas, or it's a cautionary tale of someone who may not know as much as he thinks he does. So anyways, so let's get on to the actual portfolio. So I'm using the same account that I buy other shares with, so I gotta block it out. One, for obviously privacy reason. I haven't edited anything at all except for putting those gray bars up. Second thing is that I just want you guys to focus on the two companies that I have put in to and that I bought today. So again, it's unedited. The only thing that I did was screenshot this, block out the thing. So the prices that I bought it at is the price that you see is the prices I bought it at, and the quantity and the loss and profit. So even though it's called $1,000 challenge, you can't actually buy shares exactly $1,000. So I kind of cheated on the first video. Great example, leading by example, by $48.24. So the principal I put in is $1,000 and $1,048.24. The reason is you can never get like exactly $500 and $500. You can't exactly get $500 worth of shares exactly. And the other thing is you got to account for brokerage on top. Now, so yes, at the moment I am $20 down. Now you got to keep in mind some of that is brokerage, because what happened is my broker basically because I'm buying such a small amount, like $500, the brokerage fee actually increases my purchase price per share. So you can see here the purchase price says $31.38. I didn't actually buy it at that price. I bought it a little bit lower. And same as here, I didn't buy it at $13.19. I bought it a little bit lower. So yeah, so it just goes to show, like, if you're going to be investing, trading, you want to buy kind of like a bigger amount. Otherwise the brokerage fee can actually eat into your to your bottom line, or like increases the cost. So the two companies I bought, the first one is Aristocrat Leisure Limited. I did a video, a quick tech video on that. It's a gaming company, and they make pokies machine. The other one is Worley Limited. It's a engineering company that does mining energy projects for international companies. So that's the two that I've bought. Yes, so that's pretty much it. I meant for this to be maybe a weekly update, very short, unless there's something exciting that I would like to share. Again, unedited. If I lose money, I would update it as is. If I win some money, fantastic, and I will update it as is. I won't be exaggerating in any way. It's just basically show for all kind of video series. And what I would encourage you take away from this is actually to keep some kind of diary of your trading, so you can learn, reflect, and see where you're going wrong, or you see where you're going right, and systematically refine your system and technique, so then you can actually make money in the long term. So don't look for the little spikes, spike of luck. So I guess something like that, like just lucky roll of the dice. You want to be to drill it down to an actual process, or an actual procedures and process that you can repeat over and over again, a system that you can repeat over and over again. So then that's how you maintain your wealth. And in saying that, I hope this series will teach you guys something. Again, if it's not an inspiring tale, could be a cautionary tale. Well, I think both will serve and to bring value to you guys. So that's why I'm doing it, and it's also bring value to me. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great night.